Fixing recycling is not an easy challenge. We need everyone, every stakeholder at the table.
What the program is all about is trying to find solutions for recycling facilities to be able to sort and sell the most common forms of packaging in commerce today. One of the fastest growing packaging formats is flexible packaging. Through our research, we have discovered you can actually make products from this material, building products, and other durable good products.
A lot of materials are brought into the stream that are more difficult to recycle. Recycling is always changing. Paper goes away and there's less paper in the stream. The packaging is always continuing to change. So at Machinex, we develop new technologies such as robots as well as optical sorting technologies to help clean the streams.
We have built a network of teenagers, the EcoTeen Action Network, and these are teens in the DC, Maryland, Virginia area, as well as across the country and actually globally. We have teens working on food waste and composting. We have also teens working on a to-go box. Young people are super excited about anything that has to do with recycling. So if you want to get recycling really off the ground, you need to involve young people because they get it and they're ready to go.